You've got 5 minutes. That's less time than it takes to scroll through TikTok. But what if I told you that in those same 5 minutes, you could make $1,000 legally, ethically, and without needing a fancy degree or a massive following? Sounds crazy, right? Let me show you how. First, head over to Flippa.com. It's a marketplace where people buy and sell digital assets, like websites, apps, and even Instagram pages. But here's the trick. You don't need to own one yet. Go to Canva or ChatGPT and create a simple niche blog. Think pet care, tips or budget, travel hacks. Use free templates, write 5-10 articles with AI help, and host it for $5 on platforms like Hostinger or Bluehost. Now list that blog on Flippa. Because it's a ready-made niche site, buyers looking for passive income will pay anywhere from $500 to $2,000 for it. And yes, people are buying these every single day. Bonus tip. Want to double your earnings? Offer to customize the blog for the buyer. Add a $200 upsell for SEO optimization or affiliate links. Boom, extra cash. Same 5 minutes of effort. If you found this valuable, hit that like button. Share it with someone who needs a quick win, and follow for more real money hacks.